Have you ever heard the interface when writing Java? I will explain the interface briefly. What is the interface in Java? An interface in Java is an abstract. That means an interface is used to specify a behavior that classes must implement. An interface in Java is not a class. It is declared by using the interface keyword. It may only contain the method signature. In the interface definition, methods of an interface are not implemented. However, default and static methods in an interface may have an implementation. This is an example. Variables in an interface are finalized, so we cannot initialize variables. We can declare abstract methods in an interface. It can be implemented by a class. We can implement any methods in an interface using the default and static keyword. If you use the default keyword, you can override in an implemented class. If you use the static keyword, you cannot override in an implemented class. We can implement the interface as a class using the implements keyword. In the class, we programmers must implement a sample method that they are declared. If we define variables and the default methods in an interface, we do not need to call them in the class. Default and static methods are not written in this example. We can override default methods if necessary. We cannot call the static methods in the class because they are not allowed to inherit. An interface in Java can be implemented by a class. It cannot extend a class. Again, it is not a class, so it cannot be instantiated. Providing common functionality to not related classes suits an interface. An interface can extend several other interfaces. The left programs are interface examples. The right one is the class that is inherited, the driver and employee interfaces. A driver can drive a car. An employee works. We implement the driver and employee as interfaces like the left one. A man can drive a car, plus he works in the company as a taxi driver, so we implement the taxi driver class using the interfaces like the right one. An interface in Java declares only abstract methods and the public constants. Default and static methods can be implemented in an interface. Someone might feel complicated about an interface in Java. If you keep calling Java programs, you are going to get used to an interface in Java. Then, enjoy it. See you.